Introducing the Horsepower Factory's latest upgrade, the Stage 4 Supercharged Ram 1500, specifically designed for e-torque versions. The 5.7-litre Hemi in all new Ram 1500 models is now equipped with a mild hybrid system that has made it a challenge to fit an aftermarket supercharger. However, Harrop Engineering has come to the party with a 2.3-litre blower that works in conjunction with this setup. At HPF, we have taken this up a notch. Our Stage 4 upgrade swaps out the original 100mm pulley and replaces it with a high boost 90mm pulley. The supercharger upgrade is then paired with a fuel pump upgrade and a full 3-inch MANTA stainless steel exhaust system. With everything fitted and running, it's onto our chassis dyno where we load a custom ECU recalibration to get the most out of this upgrade. With a massive 70% increase in power at the wheels and another 40% increase in torque, this upgrade is sure to turn your 1500 e-torque Ram into a train-pulling monster truck. For more information on this and all of our US truck upgrades, call us on 1-800-GO-FAST or visit our website at hp-f.com.au.